Welcome, today I'll show you how to customize a quick launch in Xiaomi 12. Firstly, open your settings, scroll down and go into additional settings. Here choose Gangster Shortcuts option. And now, for example, I want to activate launch camera. Activate these two options, double press to power key and double press plus volume down when the screen is locked and click back. And go into another option, for example maybe turn on torch. And here I've got the same option, double press the power key, but this option is activate to open camera. So activate this option here and we got a message, double press the power button is used for launch camera, replace or not. If you click replace, on this combination double press to power key will be activate turn on torch. So replace, and let's try double press to our power key, and how you can see torch is activated. And go back to another option, maybe launch Google Assistant, press and hold the power button for half second, go back and maybe take a screenshot. Here we got a sides 3-finger down option, you can turn on or turn off this option, and volume down plus power key, it's a standard option, you can't turn on or turn off this. And another option. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.